So in today's quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide categories on your WooCommerce product page. If you want cleaner product pages, fewer distractions, and a more professional look for your store, this simple tweak will do the job perfectly. Start by heading into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Appearance. From there, select Customize. This opens the WordPress customizer where you can make visual changes and instantly preview them before publishing. Inside the customizer, scroll down and click Additional CSS. This is where you can add small pieces of custom code to change how your site looks without modifying any core files. Now, all you need to do is paste your CSS code that hides product categories. The code is very simple and widely available online, and once you add it to the box, you'll immediately see the categories disappear from your product pages in the live preview. If everything looks good, just click the Publish button at the top to save your changes. That's it. Your product pages now look cleaner and more focused without unnecessary category labels crowding the layout. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick WooCommerce tips.